Fresh battery, Trackhawk key, man. What it do, CEEFAM? It's your boy C-Will back at it with another slight video, man. Look, this is probably the lightest and slightest video y'all gonna see on the channel, bro. Y'all, today is gonna be a great day, CEEFAM. All right, we're gonna be taking delivery, like I said, taking delivery, man, of our 2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee Trackhawk, y'all. All right, 6,500 miles on the showroom floor. It's beautiful and all that good stuff, y'all. Look, your boy woke up this morning, y'all, 5 a.m. CEEFAM. I woke up 5 a.m. Yeah, ready. You know what I'm saying? I went to sleep at 2 a.m. I woke up tired. Well, I woke up at like 4:30, left by like 5:30, CEEFAM, and all that good stuff. So, hey, it's been a long day, y'all, but hey, we finally here. Y'all see the Hellcat in the back, man. Hey, this thing is gonna be for sale at Ramstein CarMax, y'all, in Landstuhl, Germany. So if you want this car, bro, come get it. Like I said, I hope the next owner take care of it just like how I did. All right, y'all need to know anything I did on the channel, bro, hey, watch the damn channel. Or if y'all want to know anything I did on the car, watch the damn channel. You heard me? It's cool. But yeah, y'all, as y'all see the car right now, present day, man, they pretty much said, hey, look, you know, before we pay you, before we pretty much pay your car, or before we offer you whatever we're gonna offer you, we have to do a car inspection, right? Which is totally understandable, y'all, right? If I had a dealership and I was doing, you know, if I was making a transaction 60,000+, 50+, 40,000+, I'm getting your car inspected, right? Just to make sure that, you know, it'll pass inspection for the next owner and we won't have no issues, right, y'all? So yeah, currently waiting right now, man, to get my car inspected by TUV, I believe, right? These are the same people that actually passed my car inspection in February of this year, y'all. So I'm not worried about it, man. No problems, no issues, y'all. We did the oil change. You know what I mean? Everything on the car maintenance wise is good, CEEFAM. It's pretty much back stock now. No crazy mods or nothing like that on it, y'all. So I'm not worried, CEEFAM. All right, but yeah, today is a good day, y'all. I'm ecstatic. I'm happy, man. Like, it's sad to let the car go, CEEFAM. It is. You know, anybody that gonna sit here and say, oh man, it's not hard to let a car go, bro. It is, because you start to grow attachment to the car, but you also realize, man, it's just materialistic at the end of the day, right? If you want to grow and all that good stuff, this is necessary, right, bro? It's necessary to let go. It's necessary to level up, you know? Like, so now I feel like my next goal, bro, is to just work hard as I can, y'all, to just afford another car, right? Get this car back in the collection maybe one day, you know, y'all, like, and just get, you know, another Hellcat and all that, y'all. But yeah, I'm just waiting, man, to get the car inspected, right, to make sure everything is good. Then we also got to go to customs, right? German customs. We got to clear customs on both cars. I have to deregister this car, actually, CEEFAM. So yeah, it's definitely a process, man. But yeah, the most important part, we made it here, and shit, the car's safe. I'm good. You know what I mean, y'all? But yeah, just to give y'all boys one last look at the cat, y'all. One last look, man, you know. Sheesh, like I said, the cat was great, man. I feel like it was bad for business, you know, because it didn't really get the views that I wanted it to get, you know, CEEFAM. Some videos, like, I felt like, you know, but it is what it is, y'all. Shit, we on the bigger and better, man. I'm just happy that we got here safe and sound, man. The cat is here, and we gonna go from there, CEEFAM. Sorry, bro, if I'm stretching out my videos, man, you know, but I just wanted to give y'all that last ride in the Hellcat, man, because I feel like that's important, and it's just necessary, man. It's necessary for like the storyline of the channel, pretty much, CEEFAM. It is necessary, bro. So yeah, this is pretty much the last look at the Hellcat, man. I know y'all want to see the other car for sure, man. So yeah, let's just go take a walk, man. Yo, it's cold out here too. It's like 29, bro. And I'm out here, shit. It was snowing earlier too, y'all. So yeah, let me show y'all. I'll show y'all boys the other car, man. I know y'all boys ready to see that bit too. So I ain't here to keep y'all waiting. I'm not here to do none of that, man. It's cold. Sheesh. But yeah, they actually got this boy right here waiting for me, man. I really want to take a pic with that bit outside. But yeah, y'all, look, as y'all see, boom, this boy is right here, CEEFAM. Like, man, when I tell y'all, like this gray, it's not even like a destroyer gray. It's like I think it's crystal granite metallic or something like that, y'all. Right? So yeah, just looking at the car, man, it looks nice. You said what? I'm sorry? Yeah. So the plates are in that folder that's on top of Matt's desk. Yeah, my temp tags. But yeah, she just asked, you know, if I got plates. Oh yeah, I got them things yesterday, y'all. So, man, y'all, I don't even know like what theme I should go with on the car, y'all. Right. Oh yeah, by the way, if y'all new to the channel, bro, make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment. I'm sorry, I'm over here. I'm just so happy for the car and all that. Whoa. What happened here? No. Nah, that's what this is for, bro. I thought they actually knew that. I guess they didn't know. This is a stone show, bro. It's the same thing I got. Yeah, I'm gonna need this. Nah, ain't no way them boys did me like that. Now I'm gonna have to tell them, man, y'all boys done. What? Ain't no way. I need to, nah, bro. And they ain't even marked this boy sold on the website, nothing yet, y'all. So I'm like, hold on, what's going on? But nah, I think everything is good, bro. Just waiting to get my car inspected and then go from there, y'all. So, but yeah, man, hopefully everything goes well and we'll have the smooth, light, slight Trackhawk, man. It's cold. They got a couple things in here, CEEFAM. I don't know if this is Z06. Nah, that's a Stingray right here, y'all. No, it should be 2 plates in there, no? All right, CEEFAM. So I just pretty much talked to them about this front bumper and stuff, man, and the holes. Cause y'all, like, I'm telling y'all, whenever I came here last time, they didn't have the holes in the front bumper like that, bro. It looks bad, you know. So yeah, I talked to him about the holes in the front bumper. I said, bro, look, like, it's not fair to me as the customer to leave here with the holes in the bumper like that. Because whenever I came look at it, it wasn't like that, right? I know what a Stow and Show front bumper license plate bracket is, and that was the only thing that was on there. Now, y'all look, check this out. So now, right, look at this hole. Look at this, bro. So is this fair, right? As the customer, y'all listen, this is a fresh hole. All right. Is it fair to me to have to take my car, my brand new Trackhawk, and it be like this, you know? So we'll see. Definitely gonna get it taken care of, man. We have to get it taken care of. Like, have to.
No one said we're not.
Okay. I'm just making sure. Cause. Okay, thank you.
Don't stress right now.
I'm not stressing. It's a great day. It's a great day, you know.
Go get your donut. Want me to get your donut?
If you could, it'll probably be a little better, you know. But yeah, I appreciate y'all, man. You know, I mean, I'm not blaming nobody. I promise. I'm not talking bad about nobody. You know, I just wanted to look how it looked when I came to see it the first time. Okay. Right. That's all. Okay. So appreciate y'all, man. Thank y'all so much.
But did it have the front plate on at the time? Did I have this on at the time?
So it had. So this was right here. So yeah, there was no like there was. It wasn't like this. That was down there. So that's all I was saying. But yeah. So yeah, man. But yeah, y'all, honestly, I mean, this is a good dealership, man. You know, I had a great experience the first time I came here, you know. Definitely gonna have a great experience this time, man. So yeah, I'm just looking forward to getting the whip, you know. But yeah, bro, me, like, I definitely wanna I don't even know how to say it, bro. Like, I just want things to be right, CEEFAM. You know what I'm saying? If I drove the 4 hours, I put the time in, I did this, and I know how the car looked whenever I first came here, that bracket was not drilled into the front bumper. So, yeah, they got to come up off something. They got to fix it. They got to, you know, and shit. I even went and look at the pictures that they had online of the car, CEEFAM. And guess what? That bracket that they had that they drilled in the front bumper, it was on the small bracket on the bottom. Right, so somebody, that's fresh holes, like I said, somebody disregarded what that picture looked like, right? Of how it looked whenever I first came here, and then somebody just blatantly drilled holes in a $110,000 Trackhawk, bro. What? Yo, you gotta be kidding me. gotta be shitting me, bro. Ain't no way. Ain't no way, y'all. So yeah, some way, somehow, y'all, they gotta fix it. I don't know how they gonna fix it by the time I leave here today. That I don't know, but yeah, as a customer that's here, CEEFAM, I'm buying the most expensive car at your dealership, and I have pictures to prove that it wasn't like that whenever I came look at the car. Nah, they gotta come up off something, CEEFAM. Comment down below. Let me know if I'm tripping. Let me know if I'm wrong, or you know, as y'all heard in the video, y'all probably heard the female talk about, hey, don't stress, it's a good day. Oh yeah, it's definitely a good day. You know what I'm saying? It's a great day. It'll be a much better day if I didn't have holes in my bumper. But that's neither here nor there. As long as it get fixed, CEEFAM, I'm cool. You know, I'm not trying to be a hard ass of a customer. I'm not trying to be, you know, but hey, as the customer, I know what I seen, and you know, and that's not what I seen whenever I first came here, y'all. So yeah, my boy Matt said he gonna hook me up. He said he gonna get it fixed. That's my salesman. I trust him. It's cool, you know what I'm saying? Mistakes happen, y'all. I'm not no hard ass. I'm not, oh man, I'll fix this, or I want my money back. Deal done already. Shit, the deal done, CEEFAM. But yeah, I'm gonna get back at y'all, man, whenever we hopefully wrap things up and just go from there, y'all. But yeah. All right, CEEFAM, and just like that, bro, we have a done deal, y'all. All right, so as y'all see the Trackhawk in the back for me, bro, originally they had pulled it outside, right, y'all? So it is wet now, right? As y'all see, it's snowing right now in Germany, y'all. So yeah, the car ended up getting wet, y'all, but that's okay. You know, I asked him, I'm like, hey man, can we pull the car back inside so I can get that bow and put it on the car, man, so that we can get, you know, the appropriate, we can capture the moment, you know what I mean, CEEFAM? Like, not everybody in the world is able to buy a Trackhawk, man, right? And the owner told me, he was like, hey man, this is the most expensive car we've ever had at our dealership. We had a 77,000, but this right here is the most expensive one ever, y'all. So this is memorable, right? The owner had me posing and taking different pictures and all that, y'all. So yeah, he's enthusiastic. He's obviously excited about it, man. I'm excited too, y'all, for sure. But yeah, man, I definitely think everything went well today, y'all. My car, whatever, got inspected, all that good stuff, man. So yeah, let me just show y'all around the car right quick, man. All right, so as y'all see it, man, right here, you know, got the Trackhawk, y'all. The yellow brakes. Oh damn, man, that boy locked. They must have locked that boy real quick. No, but I think they're actually going to put me another battery inside of the key, which is totally fine, y'all. It's cool. But yeah, got the temporary tags on there, man. You know, ended up working out a deal with them, man. So my front bumper, bro, I guess for now is just gonna stay like that, which is totally fine, y'all. I may have to get it filled in whenever I go to the States or something. I'm not sure, but yeah, it's all good, man. But yeah, definitely came with this boy right here, so might get that transferred or something. But yeah, overall, y'all, hey, I'm happy, bro. I'm excited about the car, man. Like I said, it's sad to see the Hellcat go, but it's also, you know what I mean, it's a blessing to get something like this. And also, as y'all can see, it's perfect time, right, y'all? Perfect timing. Oh, that's wrong. Good snow on the Tesla right there, y'all. So yeah, everything is good, man. So trying to figure out if the car has 2 keys or not. I think it does. I think on the website, I think it said 2 keys. But yeah, we're looking right now, CEEFAM. But yeah, I'm about to have to go to customs right now and get everything right. But appreciate it, man.
Of course.
Sheesh. As y'all see, fresh battery, Trackhawk key, man. You know, shout out to my salesman, Matt. You know what I'm saying, bro? Thank you for everything, brother. I'm not going to put you on camera. I know some people don't like to be on camera, whatever. But, yeah, I just want to say, bro, thank you. I definitely appreciate your help, bro. It was a process getting this car, y'all. I'm not going to lie to you. It wasn't easy. It was a lot of back and forth negotiation between Matt and I. And, you know, he had to talk to the owners to get approval, right? Whatever the case may be, y'all. But, you know, I think it was fair for them, fair for me, and
everybody's happy.
Everybody's happy, bro. Right, brother? It's a win-win situation, right? So, yeah, man, definitely appreciate it, brother. If there's people that need cars, I'm gonna definitely recommend this dealership, bro, first. You know, over every other dealership. I promise, bro. I promise, brother. So, nah, it's all good, brother. But yeah, so what time is? I think customs open at 1. It's currently 12:44. Take 10 minutes to get there.
Yeah.
Is the other guy pretty much gonna drive my Hellcat over there?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then
that'll work, man.
I'll make sure our guys are ready, and that's it, bro.
All right, brother, man. Well, hey, Matt, appreciate it, bro.
Thank you so much, man.
Thank you, man, for
Enjoy
sure.
it.
Oh yeah, for sure, man. Let me get my bag is in there too. Oh, what happened? What happened?
Everyone in Vilsec's gonna know about you now.
Man, everybody in Germany gonna know about me now with this shit. Oh yeah. All right, man. Let me get my bag right quick and then. All right. Let's see. Get this. All my paperwork, man. Yeah, I need all this right here, bro. I wonder if they need. All right, y'all. So currently, man, I'm at customs right now, y'all. Right, got rid of the Hellcat to the right, just so we can get our Trackhawk, man. So yeah, Hellcat, Trackhawk, man. Old, new, y'all. So yeah, at customs, they're gonna pretty much leave this right here. But yeah, just wanted to give y'all, man, a side-by-side view, pretty much. Look how good that look, man. Right, I wish we had enough to have both, but we don't. But it is what it is, man. Hey, people just gonna have to go around, bro. I don't even care, man. This is like once in a lifetime right here, y'all. So, sheesh. Yeah, this looks amazing. This looks great, man. Ah, bro. Which one y'all going with, bro? I know majority of y'all answer already, man. But, yeah. Pretty much, this is, shit, taking delivery, y'all, you know. Yeah, this right here is so ugly, CEEFAM. I'm gonna definitely undo that and put that bit right there. Yeah, I definitely told them about that, y'all. But it's all good, man. You know, a great dealership, much better people. So, yeah. I'm gonna definitely holler at y'all, man, on the next video, CEEFAM. The next video probably gonna be like me driving it first, right? But yeah, man, yeah, I appreciate all y'all help, all y'all support, all y'all, man, words. Oh yeah, this definitely probably me right here. So she about to bring me my customs form so I can deregister this car right here. And then yeah, pretty much permanently register the Trackhawk, man. Trackhawk is in my name, y'all. So as of right now, both vehicles in my name, actually. I wish I was balling. Hello, are you the customs for this? Okay, I'm sorry. Yep, that's me. Hello, I'm so sorry. Like, do I have to go back over there or in line or no?
Is this your car?
Well, both of them are my car right now, but yeah, so both of these are, yes.
This car must be on the plate.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah.
Okay, yes. I will go back over there. That's fine.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. But yeah, CEEFAM, yeah, shit. I told her shit. Both of these cars mine right now. All right, yeah, but I guess you have to go online or something like that, CEEFAM. But yeah, that's fine. I'm about to go back on this line she was talking about. And then, yeah, go from there, y'all. Like I said, you want to get some pictures and all that. And go from there, bro.